Hello friends, welcome to Shakti's Knowledge Hub. Myself Dr. Shakti Sukanya. In the recent videos, we are talking about a subject called the business environment, and in that we have seen so many different environments which is directly and indirectly relating to the business purposes and the business environment. And in that aspect, today we are going to discuss about the topic called the dimensions or components of business environment, like the different forms or the different institutions we have seen in the introduction portion, like the different sources which is directly and indirectly relating to the business. Those things are the components or the dimensions of business environment, and that is what we are going to discuss in detail. Out of that, the first one is the economic environment. Dimensions or the components of business environment. The first is economic environment. It has immediate and a direct economic impact on the business, rate of interest, inflation rate, change in the income of people, monetary policy, price levels, etc. are some of the economic factors which could affect the business firms. Economic environment may offer opportunities to a firm or it may put constraints. So, economic point of view, in the aspect of economic point of view, for every businesses there may be a direct and indirect connect or a result or reflection for every businesses. So, it means it impacts, that is, it has an immediate and the direct economic impact on the business. Like what are all the things in the sense? Rate of interest. Take an example. If you are obtaining some fund or some investment from the other sources, means there should be some of the rate of interest. So that will reflect in that aspect, and also the inflation rate, that is the economic status or the economic situation of the country will result in the inflation rate, and also the changes in income of the people. Depends on the salary or depends on the business profit or loss, anything it may be. And the monetary policy which is followed by the government and which people need to be followed from the business point of view as well as the individual point of view. And also the price levels, that is the fixation of prices of the products or services. And all this thing may reflect to any business firms. And that definitely, as we discussed in the earlier thing, this economic environment may either give the opportunity or maybe the constraints. There may be a chances of positivity as well as the negative thing through this economic environment. And the second is social environment, that is the society. It includes the various social forces like customs, beliefs, literacy rate, educational level, lifestyle, values, etc. Changes in social environment affect an organization in a long run. Example, nowadays people are paying more attention towards their health, as a result of which demand for mineral water, diet coke, etc. has been increased, while the demand for tobacco, fatty food products has been decreased. So the social, in the sense the society, the general public, or our beliefs or literacy rate, that is the educational level or some of the knowledge rate of the people or their awareness towards something, their customs, that is their practice, beliefs, values, lifestyle, everything is changing from one day to another day. Like if you are taking a costume, there are so many changes in each and every day in case of any of the trends or any of the beliefs which people are following, or even for the food aspect or any of the things which people are getting aware day by day. So depends on that, everything has been changing, and definitely that will be reflecting on the business organization, and those things are called as the social environment. And definitely because of these changes, that will hit to business in positive way or maybe in negative way. So for the easy understanding, here we have an example called the people are paying more attention towards their health, that is turning more conscious nowadays. So that results in the demand for the mineral water, diet coke. So what is that increase of requirement? They are preferring for the items or food items or products which is giving or which is so good in the health aspect, and the reduction of the fatty food products like the tobacco or any of the junk food or some of the unwanted products or items which is causing effects to the health will be reduced. So the demand for one particular product has been increased, and it's automatically the demand of the other negative side of the products has been reduced. So this is what the reflection of both the businesses. For this business there is a positivity, and for this business there is a negativity, and this is what the social environment is about. And the third is technological environment. That is, from the technology point of view, how the things are changing and reflecting or impacting to every business environment. That is what about the technological environment. It provides new and advanced way of technology of production. A businessman mostly closely monitor the technological changes takes place in the industry as it helps in facing the competition and improving the quality of the product. Like, if you are doing a business, it is very much important to show more focus towards the technological aspect. Every environment need to be focused, but also it is very much important to consider in technology point of view. So that technology will also have a direct and indirect impact towards the business. In case of machineries or equipments, if you are having a very old technology of machines and you are having very less production, means you need to focus towards the advanced available technology for the development of your business. If such thing has been happened, definitely you can compete with your competitor by bringing the very advanced technology into your business and by improving the quality of the product. So automatically you can compete in the competitive business environment and more profit, more production, everything will be possible. So it is very much important to focus towards the technological point of view for every business. For example, digital watches in place of traditional watches. That is, digital watches has been started to used than the traditional watches, like the numbers watch which we have used earlier, and now that is moving from the traditional to the digital. And the another thing is artificial fabrics is placed from the traditional cotton. Earlierly, in the very long period, early period, the traditional cotton, that was the only choice available for the garments or the wearing point of view. That is from fabrics. And nowadays there are so many fancy and trendy artificial fabrics has been replaced, and that is like silk fabrics and all has been replaced. Booking of railway tickets on internet. Earlier we need to go for the concerned place to book a ticket. Now we have so many apps, even for theaters, even for booking any of the places or any of the items. You can take a very best example, the purchase of online items. Earlierly we need to go to the concerned shop to buy the items, but now there is no requirement in that way. We have plenty of technology, we have app and so many things. We can buy the things in home itself. So this is what the technology aspect. So it depends on the changes in demands and preference of the customers and the public, those who are buying your products. Automatically that will also on the basis of the technology point of view, and everything will be reflecting positively and negatively to the business environment. So that is what the technological environment is about. And the next is political environment. Changes in political situation also affects the business organization. Political stability builds the confidence among the business community, while the political instability and bad laws and order situations of government towards the business, the type of government, single party or the coalition government affects the business. Obviously, we have seen these three different environments, the social, technological. Likewise, the political environment will also reflect both negatively as well as positively to the business environment. In case everything is going well and the rules and regulations has been set and fixed by the political party as well as the government in a proper way, and they are going and they are running in the stable manner, means definitely that will build a confidence to the business community, that is the business people. In case if there is any instability or if there is any changes or bad law or any of the order situation or any of the modification by the government or maybe from the political point of view, definitely that will hit or reflect in the business environment. So any of those changes or any of those modification that is reflecting directly or indirectly to the business, and also that is resulting positively or negatively through the political aspect is called as the political environment. So some of the easy and understandable example which is related to the political environment is like the Bangalore and Hyderabad have become the most popular location for the IT industry due to the supportive political climate. So the political climate or the political environment, they have much support to the IT industry. They have brought and they have selected the Bangalore and Hyderabad as the best and the most popular location for the IT industry. This is one of a kind of example. Likewise, we have so many examples that is reflecting to the political environment to the business environment. And the last is the legal environment. That is all the legal rules and regulations, legislations and some of the procedures from the government point of view and also from the law authority point of view, that will also showing its impact towards the business directly or indirectly, and that also will reflect or results in a positive or negative way. So some of the things like it constitutes the law and legislation passed by the government, administrative orders, court judgment, decision of various commissions and agencies, businessmen have to act according to various legislation and their knowledge is very necessary. Example, advertisement of alcoholic product is prohibited and it is compulsory to give statutory warning on the advertisement of cigarettes. So this is one of an example like legal rules and regulations to be followed. So what are all the different rules or law or norms or regulations to be followed by the business industry or the corporate sector from the legal point of view. So what is the rules to be followed, or which can be either mentioned by the government or some of the administrative authority or any of the court order due to any of the judgments or something, and the decisions of various commissions or agency. Everything will reflect to the businessman or the business, and that will result either positively or negatively. So this is what the different law or legislative and some of the related aspects of contents or things which is reflecting to the business environment directly or indirectly, and that is resulting positively or negatively. In case everything goes fine and everything is related or which is positive to the business, means that will give a good result by profit or maybe expansion of business and in any of the aspect. In case if it turns opposite, the option will be the negative one. So this is what the thing about the legal environment. Okay friends, with this we are coming to the end of today's discussion. We'll discuss the other important topic in the next video. If you have any doubts or clarifications, let us know through the comment box or the mail ID which we have given in the about page. Shatter the breakbends and relish your success journey. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.